Howdy, Paper Army. I thought I would show you this last little blip on the Hammerhead Corvette. Right back here, there's two, one on each side. That is all that is left to be done to finish this up. And so I figured I'd just, show you a little bit about what I do with painting. It's nothing spectacular. This is fairly easy and straightforward. All you have to do is make sure that you don't get this paint all over everything, because you've already finished painted a lot of this. So what you have to do is you have to be very careful about how you're doing this and applying your paint. So it is the finishing touches to the Hammerhead. It took me 6 months and a week and 390 hours. So you figure that's a 400-hour build, this, and it's very close to 4,000 parts. So there's that. Now we roll this over like so, and we just do this again. Now this doesn't want to stay up on the table, so I have to be very careful about how I'm doing this. But as you can see, it's not very hard to do. It just takes a little bit of a steady hand, which I don't have anymore. That's why I am using both hands to put this on there. And you can still see that I'm shaking. And so it happens to everyone. Anyway, that's it. That is it. This Hammerhead Corvette is now complete. So it is all finished. Very, very cool build. I like this a lot. I can't tell you if it's my favorite, but it's my favorite right now. Uh-oh, I think I saw something over here. Oh, I did, said the wabbit. No, wait a minute. That was not the wabbit that said that. I thought I saw a putty tat. I did see a putty tat. Anyway, I noticed that there's some touch-up that needed to be done over here. And so, since I got the paint out, might as well touch it up. And that's all things that once your builds are complete, then you get to go around and see if there's any little things that you want to fix. All right, you guys, there it is. Thank you, Paper Army. Thank you for helping me in every possible way that you have. You have helped me monetarily. Thank you very much for that. It's making this move not quite so painful. And thank you for following me and showing your friends. Thank you for helping to make us the best YouTube channel on the planet. Salute, Paper Army. You deserve more.